Archaeology is the study of human behavior through material culture, the things we rely on for survival. Development in science and technology has made it possible to know more about archaeology and history. In case of archaeology, drones, aerial photography, lidar, KALEIDOS, magnetometer, electrical resistivity tomography has opened doors to new knowledge through excavations. Drones. Drones are like mini helicopters which can be used for 3D reconstructions and locating difficult territories. They are also known as UAS, Unmanned Aerial System, or RPAS, Remotely Piloted Aircraft System. With the help of software like SFM, Structure from Motion, the unwanted pictures of angles are moved or removed to geo-referenced textual model. The advantages of drones are that they are lightweight, capable of taking aerial pictures as well, utilized anytime according to archaeologists' wish. Pictures taken by cameras are not well detailed, and proximity of remote sensing research, which helps the archaeologists in the better understanding of the variables. But the disadvantages are that they are light-weighted flying objects with limited battery capabilities. To work smoothly, they need updated computers, RAM processors, and CPU, and geology of land plays big role in it. It also requires good editing and adjustments. LIDAR, that is light detecting and ranging. It's a visualization technique introduced for the better generated pictures. With the steady development in the working of the technologies, archaeologists have tried a new technique of mounting the lidar scanners on the drone. The advantage is that it is easy to transport and represent high degree of flexibility, and the disadvantage is that it is not appropriate for scanning larger areas. Aerial photography. The first archaeological officer, O.G.S. Crawford, made use of this method and highlighted that aerial observer could accurately identify sites that are not visible from the ground level. Archaeological use of the aerial photography was used at a Stonehenge site. The techniques of observation, interpretation, and mapping, which were used during the times of war, were applied into the archaeology. Using the aerial photographs helps the researcher to record the evidences which were there at the time of the photograph taken and is not there anymore in the present times. And looking through aerial photographs gives a wider range of information regarding changing the landscape of an area, condition, vegetation, and preservation of the site. Magnetometer. The first working magnetometer was invented in 1833 in the paper written by Carl Friedrich Gauss. These are the devices that not only measure the force of magnetic fields created by magnetic materials such as ferromagnets, but are so sensitive enough to detect the magnetic field of the earth by themselves. There are various types of magnetometer: scalar magnetometers and vector magnetometer. Vector magnetometers measure the vector components of a magnetic field. Scalar magnetometers measure the magnitude of the vector magnetic field. Aerial Resistivity Tomography (ERT). The ERT technique provides across a survey area or feature as opposed to a map, which is produced by an Earth resistance survey. Google Earth, a large Earth observation database geographical information computer application, is an intuitive three-dimensional virtual globe. It enables archaeologists around the world to closely watch the Earth. This way, we can say that artificial intelligence has made historical excavations much easier. If you want to know about any other topic, please leave it in the comment box so that I can come back with it. If you have liked this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.